we're going to apply for the very first time this Howard Feed and Wax. It's a follow-up to another product they have. So they're recommending that you put this on, and if you watch the previous episode, you'll note that this is a natural product. It doesn't have silicone in it. No linseed oil either. And it's natural. And I really, if ever I have a choice to go natural, I do. So we're putting this on liberally. And my hopes are that it leaves the wood with a little bit of a sheen. Would be nice. Sorry, I forget to look down at the product. What I'm doing when I'm working with these glasses, when I try to use this for the first time, there was a cap underneath the lid. Wouldn't let the product out. So at any rate, that's why I had to stop. So we're putting this on liberally. And in the past I've used polyurethane lacquers, which I have over here. Again, I'm not a salesman for these companies. I'm just trying out their products. I'm really hoping for the best with this product. We'll see how it goes. So what they want you to do is to put it on liberally. And you may have noticed that I have a heater going on out here. Because the temperature in here is actually 68 outside. It's perhaps in the 40s. And so I have this heater going to help me out. You can imagine how thirsty this wood is. It's just going to just drink this product up. So we're going to put it on liberally. Say that fast 5 times. Okay. So I think we're doing good. The nice thing about products like this, again, is that you're not worried about sags. You know, with lacquers and polyurethane, you really have to know what you're doing. Back in the 90s, I used to spray 3 houses a day. New construction. I was really good at it. Many years later, I went to visit my brother in North Carolina, and we mixed a little bit of vacation time in with a little bit of work. He said, "You want to come out on the site?" And he's actually a professional cabinet finisher. They do amazing work in that shop. I could never do that type of thing. It's just not what I do. This is our side business, by the way. I have a full-time job as a QA guy in a software company. So, at any rate. Alright, I feel like... Oh, so I went to spray, which I thought, you know, the back porch or something like this. And my brother said, "Are you done yet?" And I actually trained him on spraying. Now he surpasses me in every way. But you don't use it, you lose it. At any rate, these products here have you can control the spray so much better. There's an adjustable turn red. What is it saying here? Rectangular to adjust spray pattern. So you can fan it out and turn the fan of the spray in various directions. Alright, so we're going to see how this works out. I'm not going to make you wait around for 20 minutes while this soaks in. I'm just going to put it back in there. Alright, I'm holding out. I'm holding out here. I'm hoping that this is going to do the job. Because anytime, as I said earlier, I can use a more natural product, I'm going to. Yeah, especially, I mean, you're going to have, the customer's going to be handling this, you know, with their hands. You don't want that product coming off on their hands in any way, even if it's in small amounts. Okay? All right, let's go ahead and set this guy down. Okay, and we'll come back in 20 minutes. I'm going to set it here, and we'll see what happens here. All right, hey, thanks for coming into my shop. Please stay tuned. I like to stay very, very active in the wood shop and learn from day to day from this person and that person. If you like what you see, please subscribe to our channel. Hey, again, if you didn't notice, these are the bandsaw boxes for the customers. There's 5 of them for the customer. Thank you, customer. And I stained them last night with golden oak, and I put them in here, and they were all separated out here and here. I got a heater running here, and I'll tell you what, normally this time of year with the sun that may or may not come out and heat this up, and it heats up nice in here even when it's 20 degrees. You can double that heat in here. Naturally, in the summertime, I got to open up the windows. But I dried this overnight. It would usually take 4 days minimum for the product to dry out here. So, very, very pleased with that God idea, you know. So, thank you, Lord, for that idea. Not bandsaw boxes. All right, thanks for watching. We'll go ahead and we'll show you in future videos what this looks like. I have a feeling I'm going to be putting more than one coat on, but we'll see what happens. Okay. Okay. Again, we're using this product here, and I'm holding out for the best. Thanks. God bless. Thanks for coming into the shop of SC Custom Designs.